Welcome back to my channel everyone, to the video about SSERAFIM. Before this video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Friend, 2024 will be a year of remarkable new group rise, ILLIT, a 5-member girl group from the left lab, one of HYBE labels, which also include Nepal, held their debut showcase in Korea on the same day, ahead of the release of their first mini album Super Real Me. This is the third girl group produced by HYBE. It is a promising new group made up and coming members who grow their talent and star quality and the survival program. Thanks for watching my video.